Good morning, this is David, your local electrician from Corby, and then in this video I'm going to show you where to find the type of your cooker. So where to look for the label that tells you what type of cooker that you have at the minute. I'm going to flip the camera around. Any type of built-in cooker, what you have to do is you need to open the oven door, yeah, and then along this line somewhere you are going to find a label, and then if you look that carefully you will find the actual type of your cooker. So as you can see, this particular type is an IKEA one, and the name is that there, and then if you probably type these in, then you are going to get the exact type of cooker. Over here, in this part, you can see the power rating of the cooker, and that's it really. That's how you identify your cooker. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope it helps you find what you're looking for.